World AIDS Day 2024 was observed at Wangoi Community Health Center on the theme, Take the Right Path, My Health Right. Managing Committee member of RKS Wangoi K. Dhaneshwari, Mayai Lambi College Principal R.K. Nimai, Way to Recovery Home Project Director Chongtham Bankim Chandra, MO in charge of the CHC Dr. N. Sushila, and gynecologist Dr. Yampha attended the observance. World AIDS Day 2024 on the theme, Take the Right Path, My Health, My Right, was held today at CMO Office Complex in Tamenglong, organized by District AIDS Prevention and Control Committee Tamenglong and sponsored by Manipur State AIDS Control Society, MAX. Tamenglong CMO Dr. G. Majachunglu and District Hospital Tamenglong MS Dr. Guidia Thiu Kamai attended as main guests. Dr. Kamai emphasized the importance of regular ART intake for HIV patients, urging them to take their medicines at the same time daily. Dr. Majachunglu discussed World Health Organization's commitment to ending HIV/AIDS epidemic by 2030 and highlighted the district's progress, noting that Tamenglong has a relatively low number of HIV-positive cases. The winners of a painting competition held as part of the event on November 29 were awarded with cash prizes and certificates.